Hi guys, welcome to season 1 episode 2 of the pandemic bucket list podcast. Today we're at the peg farm and I'm looking away because I'm just making sure none of the chickens come near me. So Nirvana,
they're all here. Hi.
Yeah, so we got all the chickens here, some hens, a rooster. As soon as they saw us, they started coming out here. Got Nirvana taking a selfie.
Where are we going, Latisha? Which way next? Okay. After you. Latisha was here. And R. Yes.
It's supposed to be a G-O-M-E. Stands for gold.
Boom. We got it.
And that's my attempt at a heart. She's on too. They're so nice. I love these.
Yeah.
And I love these.
Oh yeah, oh my god, look how nice it looks on the phone. It looks like a nice little arch walkway. Where is Latisha? Oh, there she is. We have to turn right that way. That way. That's it.
And that way leads to the campsite. As you'll see, there are people over here camping. Tents, trucks. Then there's like bathroom facilities.
Come back, Latisha and I are going to come camping, and we're already thinking about getting our camping gears, sleeping bags. We have nice benches here. And then we have the area where we can, have a pit to do some cooking, and we have the beautiful view of the coastline. Look at that. Go down here though, stream.
You have to do what you did.
Right shoe.
What you did the other day.
I ain't doing that. Oh, Latisha, is that a well? Alright, let's go check it out. Not a well.
What is it? Before you come closer.
It's like 4 feet drop.
Oh.
Yeah.
More like a grave.
More like a grave, yeah.
Let's go before it's ours.
Yep. We don't want to be digging our own grave. Where next to, Latisha?
Trying to figure it out. Here we go.
Right. Are we heading north? East?
We're heading east.
We're heading east right now. Okay guys, we're heading east. I've lost my bearings, more like my compass. So Latisha is guiding us now. Oh, Latisha, found it. We're next to, let's see, we got Stairway to Heaven Cafe, East Cliff campsite. So we just went to the campsite, we made it to the cliff. So I guess we're going back up to the stairway, and then we'll head to the, I think they have a medicinal herb section. So let's check that out. So we are at the location where they have some medicinal herbs planted here. So let's take a look here. Lion steel, also called governor's ball bush. There are tea infusions used to treat fevers, urinary tract infections, and venereal diseases. Oh, interesting. Wow, maybe we could take a look in here. See what's inside. The greenhouse. Curry tree, sweet neem. Oh. So this one is curry tree, also known as sweet neem. Most effective for digestive disorders and has been known to treat diarrhea and morning sickness. Whoa. Here. Actually, this is sugar apple. Used to treat diarrhea and dysentery. Young shoot combined with mint to treat colds. Extracts of the plant are known to have anti-cancer activity. Very interesting.
Okay, so now we're entering the herb garden. I think I had a little bit because clearly. But yeah, so the first one we have, let me not start with that one. Miraculous Vine Cerasee. Anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory properties, and also known to be used in dissolution of fat from the body.
Okay.
So people trying to cut some fat, get some miraculous vine.
Good stuff.
Remember, it can be found at the Peg Farm. And then we have goatweed, aka bush tea, a well-known aphrodisiac and also a good immune booster, used throughout the Greater Caribbean to treat fevers, diarrhea, hemorrhoids, irritable bowels, and to clean the blood and skin. Goatweed.
Right, so let's move on to the next one. And here we have flat hand dildo. Am I reading right? Flat hand dildo or prickly pear. Now those are two words I did not expect to be saying, but here's what it is for. Juice is used to treat burns. The plant is also known to treat inflammation, ulcers, high cholesterol, and blood pressure. Dildo, prickly pear.
Where to? North.
Going up to the cliff. Big cliff. Let's see what we got here. Oh my god, Latisha, follow me. Wow. Oh my god, this is it. Like, this is a huge drop. Alright, this is about 120 feet down.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go there.
No, Nirvana. Stay right there, please. Right there. Don't go any further. No further.
Okay.
Please. My hands are shaking.
I cannot even see down. It is about, oh my god, it's probably more than 100 feet down.
I'm sure. I literally feel like the quote living life on the edge, because we're literally on the edge of this cliff with 100 and something foot drop.
Blooper!
So the sun's setting and we're trying to get Nirvana to the piglets before it gets too dark.
I'm so excited to see the piglets. She's not, but I am.
Nah, I could care less. But yeah, still walking, still tracking. I'm staying back because I'm scared of every animal. Maybe they're scared of us too.
They're not even, look, they're scared of me.
We have different type of sheep here. Over here are the black belly sheep, and over here I'm not sure what type of sheep this is.
This is look at how they're staring at us.
Yeah, they're all just looking at us like,
Who are these humans?
who are these humans? Especially this one.
Yeah,
He's like
the god, you know? He's like the boss man here guarding everybody else. He's taking charge. You go, girl, swing. Do not damage yourself.
So Nirvana is attempting to come down this slide.
Here we go, Latisha.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was.
I'm not the risk taker here, go ahead.
Never been on the trampolines, don't know what to do.
Give us a flip. Alright, so we're at the end of our journey at the pig farm. And we had a great time. We didn't get to see the pigs, but we'll be back tomorrow to let Nirvana see the pigs.
There are about 200 piglets to play with. Yep, and I can't wait. So, another good day, episode 2. Well worth it. Here we're driving through the dark with our lights on. Let's switch it off and see what it looks like.